In the heart of a tranquil wooden landscape, a modern mobile home-like structure rests gracefully on a grassy field. Surrounded by tall, whispering trees, this architectural masterpiece, with its sleek, curved metallic exterior and warm wooden interiors, embodies with both sophistication and serenity, a seamless blend of modern innovation and natural beauty. And the home's striking design immediately captures the eye. The metallic shell, smooth and reflective, mirrors the soft hues of the sky and the vibrant greens of the surrounding forest, allowing the structure to harmonize effortlessly with its environment. Its gentle curve adds a sense of flow and motion, giving the home an organic feel despite its contemporary materials. Mounted on a sturdy trailer, the home hints at the freedom of mobility, a sanctuary that can journey with wherever the heart desires. One of the most captivating features is the large arched window on one side of the structure. This expansive glass pane not only elevates the home's design but also invites the outside world in, creating a constant dialogue between interior comfort and external tranquility. Through the window, inviting glow of wooden interior spill out into the evening, casting a golden warmth onto the surrounding grass and blending the boundaries between home and nature. Step inside and the magic continues. The interior is heaven of comfort and elegance, with smooth wooden walls and floors that radiate natural charm. The minimalist yet cozy design emphasizes simplicity without sacrificing sophistication. A snug sitting area greets you with a soft armchair nestled near the arched window, the perfect spot to sip a cup of tea while watching the trees sway in the breeze. The carefully curated wooden accent and earthy tones create a warm, charming atmosphere. Subtle decorative touch are woven through draped over the armchair. A small collection of books on a floating shelf and a delicate plant rested on the windowsill infuse the space with personality and life. The open concept layout ensures that every corner feels connected and purposeful, making the compact home feel surprisingly spacious. As the sun begins to set and the sky transforms into a canvas of soft pinks and purples, the mobile home radiated a sense of peace and belonging. The warm glow from within reflect off the metallic exterior, creating a beautiful contrast between modernity and nature's timeless charm. The surrounding field, enclosed by towering trees, became an extension of the home itself, a place of quiet contemplation, starlit evenings, and a deep connection to the world outside. More than just a mobile structure, this home is a slice of endless heaven in the world. It represents freedom without forsaking comfort, movement without losing the sense of belonging. It is a reminder that home is not just a place, it's a feeling, one that travels with you wherever you go. And ultimately, this modern curved mobile home is a sanctuary on wheels, a harmonious blend of sleek design and warm interiors set against the backdrop of nature's serene embrace. It offers its owner the best of both worlds, the ability to explore new horizons and the comfort of carrying a piece of paradise along for the ride.